Hey, it's your boy Ben, the Humble CEO. So today I'm gonna talk to you about how to make $1 million quick. There is a formula. There's 4 things you can do to create money a lot faster than it took me. Number 1 is you gotta realize that money is not earned, it is created. If you can start understanding that the creation of money is how you can actually grow it a lot faster, you can really pick up steam. Too many people go through life trying to earn money at a job, and it's very limiting in nature because you're trading your time for money. The moment you can start creating, what you're doing is you're leveraging your ability to grow that a lot quicker. So think about all the Picassos, the music, the bands, the Bon Jovis. What are they doing? They're creating something that can appease and help the masses. So you think about a software, a computer program, a music piece. Think about anything that can be done once that pays you over a long time. The moment you start thinking about, I have to earn money, you're already limiting the ability to actually make as much as possible. So understanding that creation is the way to make the most amount of money, not earning it is the key. How many people can you serve by creating something massive? Number 2, how do we create? Well, the best way to create is to get a specific skill that can help you create at a higher level. We all know good bands and bad bands, good artists and bad artists. What makes the good ones great? A lot of times it's their skill set. There's only 2 ways to get a skill. Number 1, the hard way. You learn it through time, you learn it through mistakes, you learn it through patience, or you can create the skill. How do you do that? Hire a mentor. Hire somebody who knows about that skill and can help you acquire that skill in a short amount of time. And start creating. Number 3, now it's time to leverage. Once you have a skill, now it's time to leverage that skill, that creating ability. You gotta put a system in place. You gotta get a team. You gotta get the right people around you that can help leverage, which is the greatest influencer in your ability to make money. So leverage, for example, if you're trying to do deals in real estate, we leverage deals with other people's money. Other people's money basically means that we can borrow from somebody else, put a deal in place, do the deal, make a profit, and then pay back that original investor. So learn how to leverage other people's time, other people's resources, other people's money, and that's how you start leveraging the skill so you can create faster. And number 4, go to work. Just repeat, rinse, and repeat. That's all it is. And stay consistent. The more consistent you can be, the more skill you can acquire, the more you can repeat the process of creation, you can make $1 million in a short period of time. So the way to make $1 million in today's society, number 1, money is created, not earned. Number 2, learn or buy a skill set. Number 3, add leverage to that skill. And number 4, repeat. And you can make $1 million within a year or 2 instead of taking 10, 15, or 20 years like it takes most people. We live in the information age today, no longer the industrial age. So we're not trading time for money. We're trading a skill set and a creation component for money. So that's the way to make $1 million quick. Find something that you can create, focus on mastering a skill, put together a system to take advantage of it, and the opportunities are endless. Until next time, be great and stay humble. Peace.